My dear students, as we are discussing about competency-based questions, the next stage in the competency-based interviewing is the confirmation stage. The confirming stage offers the interviewer an opportunity to verify what has been learned thus far about an applicant's job-specific competencies. So, no new topic should be introduced. Whenever you are at the confirmation stage, don't ask new questions. Don't ask candidates about the new topics. So no new topics should be introduced, and your job is just to confirm that what you have learned so far about an applicant's job-specific competencies. It represents about 5% of the entire interview and should be divided between some open-ended questions and some closed-ended questions, with a slightly heavier emphasis on open-ended questions. Based on an interview for the assistant to the director of HR position, as we are discussing this example from so many slides, as described in the core stage, here are some appropriate closed-ended questions. Keep in mind, these are the closed-ended questions. Number 1, based on what you have told me thus far, may I assume that you view yourself as being diplomatic when it comes to handling disagreement with department heads? This is a closed-ended question. He may say yes, he may say no. If he would say yes, then you may ask some probing questions on it. If he would say no, then you may get some more clarification. And number 2, closed-ended question is, am I correct in understanding that you have not experienced checking or reference on an applicant the department wanted to hire, only to find that the person's former employer had several less than favorable things to say about him? And number 3, when we talked earlier about job description, you stated that you assist in their development and maintenance. Is that for managerial job description, or it is for the non-managerial job description? So again, it's a closed-ended question. The single word answer to these questions will verify whether you have drawn accurate conclusion, yes or no. You would be able to know that your conclusion is okay or it's not okay. The applicant will also have an opportunity to clarify any misunderstood point. Sometimes you are not properly understanding what the applicant is telling. So if something is misunderstood, the applicant may give further clarification. There are some sample open-ended questions during the confirmation stage for this same position, which it may include the following. Number 1, I'm interested in learning more about your role in your company's monthly organizational orientation program. He already answered this question, but you want to explore it further. You are just probing it further. So would you please clarify for me the extent and nature of your responsibilities in such kind of interviewing or orientation program? Number 2, question can be, earlier you stated that, means he has stated in the core stage that you currently assist in the implementation of policies and procedures to the HR manager. What exactly does that mean? Means this is not enough for me, so you need to explain it further to me so I can get more confirmation about your previous answer. And number 3, I need a clear picture of when and to whom you explain or interpret these policies and procedure. Means how you interpret, how you give me a clear picture. Would you give me some additional information about this? So just keep one thing in mind, that in the whole confirmation stage, all of the questions are about additional information. All of the questions are purposed to get and seek more information, more in-depth information about the previous answer which you get from during the core stage. So in the confirmation stage, no new topic need to be started, and it is better to get confirmation about the answers which were he or she given into the core stage.